Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin at a Union Bank ATM with your debit card and ID. This proves identity. Once at the machine, insert the card and enter your PIN. Do this carefully to avoid lockout. Next, choose services, then look for Update Mobile Number or Profile Update. The exact label may vary. Make sure the ATM screen prompts for current and new numbers. You start the change here because the bank requires card and PIN authentication before any mobile update proceeds. You now authenticate the change. The ATM will display your account and ask to confirm it's correct. Once confirmed, enter the current registered mobile number. This prevents accidental changes. Then type the new mobile number carefully, using on-screen keypad. Mistakes cause failed updates. After entry, the system often sends a one-time password to the old or new number for verification. Make sure you can receive that OTP, and do not leave the machine until the confirmation step completes. You finish by entering the OTP at the ATM and confirming submission. Once done, wait for a success message and print a receipt as proof. Make sure the receipt shows the updated mobile number or a confirmation code. Keep it until your mobile banking reflects the change. If OTP delivery fails or the machine times out, retry after a few minutes or try another ATM. If multiple attempts fail, you must visit a branch with ID and card to complete the change in person.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.